So at D-Pace, we design equipment for particle accelerators. One of the main uses for particle accelerators is to make computer chips. So when you hear of Intel or Samsung or Apple putting a fab in Taiwan or somewhere, it's a huge factory building full of particle accelerators to make computer chips. This silicon here is embedded with ions at different depths. That's what our little particle accelerators called an ion implanter do. So this gives an example of the end product. So a pretty big deal within our modern world.
We specialize in industrial engineering. We started learning 3D printed technology, and we realized that this 3D printed technology could be applied to the engineering work that we did as our business.
I design and engineering services heavy industry with mechanical and structural engineering. As a consultant, we are brought in to provide solutions to really challenging problems. Part of that is the wise use of 3D technology. This can range from 3D scanning, 3D design software, all the way through to the use of virtual reality and augmented reality for the evaluation of those designs by end users.
We've been around since 1992, servicing the Kootenay region and beyond. We're in fabrication, welding, machining, and industrial coatings. The corrosion control side of our business is actually our biggest growth at this point. I can see moving forward that we're going to have to move into a technology-based environment where we have new equipment designed around processing, research and development, and automation ultimately.
In October of 2019, this year, they installed a brand new bale line on the new pulp machine. And it was a new bale line that we had designed from Andritz Automation in Germany, and we installed it in a 2-week period. And that is where we had the issues which we needed help from Selkirk College. We were down to our last cutter plate. The manufacturer from Germany was unable to provide us with the specialized cutter anytime soon. So we called up Selkirk College on a Friday at 5 p.m. They were able to take our drawings, get the material, and manufacture it within 1 week. And they hand-delivered us our cutter plate that we required to keep the bale line functioning. And the product that they gave us was equal to or greater than the cutter plates we received from the manufacturer.
We have a massive amount of engineering expertise based in this area. The money is here, the engineering expertise is here. What is missing is that advanced manufacturing to allow free-flowing creativity of engineering to really be implemented without the traditional manufacturing restrictions that are placed upon designs.
The business community here is already extremely innovative and highly motivated. They have suffered through some challenging times, and they've laid an incredible framework for business development. And the Technology Access Center would take the next generation of this innovation and motivation and bring it to tangible results, because that's what we do here.
And I see this as being a key research center, not only with what the TAC is doing, but what we're doing in terms of ion sources and plasmas and so forth. We've got a real niche that is beneficial to Canada as a nation. There's a weakness. This is what we are selling into now, is because these companies, these multinationals, cannot do the R&D that we're doing right now. And again, the TAC with the specialized equipment, we're leveraging that. It's like we're a bigger company.
I would say, quite honestly, we've been stuck in the past for so long. We need to be able to be more productive at a lesser cost. We have to be able to be ahead of the curve with regards to design and innovation. We have to move forward in a way that creates jobs, at the same time maintains what is existing. So there's a melding of technology and industry that's super important for the longevity of the West Kootenay region.
I really truly believe that the TAC is vital to this area and to the pulp and paper industry and to helping out Celgar. The proof is with what they were able to provide for us. When we were in dire straits, they were able to help us out. Living in the Kootenays, we don't have the resources that someone does that lives in the Lower Mainland. So for us to get parts or to get things manufactured, there's a longer turnaround with that. So to have these extra resources we have, and they can manufacture these components with a quick turnaround for us, it's an invaluable resource.